Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing Windows 98 build 1602. This is attempt 2 of this. This is being recorded on the Dell Precision 5560. It's actually the first video recorded on the Dell Precision 5560, and if I bring over my specs here, I'll show you the specs. They are really nice. Let's start off with our CPU. So our CPU is the Intel Core i7-11850X at 2.5 gigahertz. It has 8 CPU cores, really nice CPU. We have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which are running at 32 megatransfers per second. Both slots are full, and yeah, they are really nice. We have our M.2 NVMe SSD, obviously, and we have our RTX A2000 laptop GPU with 4 gigabytes of VRAM. As you can see, it's being used perfectly. We also have integrated graphics, we got integrated graphics, we got the graphics card. The graphics card is really nice. I really like this. This is my first dedicated GPU, but enough ranting. Not ranting, I actually like this laptop, but enough talking about this laptop, enough rambling, Let's get on with the thing that you guys came here for, which is to get Windows 98 build 1602 installed. So we are going to choose Windows 98 as the operating system, and we're going to choose what Windows ME? Windows ME? What the heck? Okay, we're going to choose Windows 98. Build 1602. So yeah, this is build 1602. Build 1602. It's really nice. I like build 1602. So this is a beta 2 build. It's a beta 2.1 build. Officially the beta 2 refresh. So yeah, but earlier builds were labeled as beta 3, which is pretty strange. We're gonna give it 8 gigabytes of storage. That should be fine. We are going to customize this. 256 megabytes of memory is just fine for us. We are going to select the ISO image, which is going to be in desktop local ISO. Where is it? I'll be right back. Yeah, this is already great, isn't it? Yeah, this is great. We lost. Okay, I'll be back. Keyboard shortcuts are not working. Oh, great. We don't have pausing enabled. Yeah, I'll be back. Yeah. Okay, so we are back, and now we can pause. So, okay, I guess that was really strange. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so we are back, and we have the build, as you can see right here. So we're going to select that. We're also going to add a floppy drive, and then we're going to use this floppy disk image, and we're going to choose Windows 98 to grab our Windows 98 boot disk. So now we should be right here. So we're going to full screen this, and we obviously have to set the time bomb date. So let me just look up what that is actually. So this build was compiled on October 6th, 1997, and well, yeah. So we have to start by unpinning this because it's absolutely annoying. Next up, we're going to boot into the BIOS. Yeah, don't show again, we don't care. We're going to boot into the BIOS. Okay, so I've actually never used a virtual machine on this specific computer. I hope it's fast, I don't know. So we're going to set the date to when this thing released. Well, the day after release, because you get the point. So, yeah, we gotta set it to 1997, so that's what we'll do. 1997. 1997. Okay. Okay. Work there. Okay. So we are going to. Oh my gosh! What's up with these high performance computers with VMware's BIOS just acting really weird? Okay, that's just strange. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is not bootable. So we're going to have to boot off of our Windows 98 floppy disk. And here it goes. It's going to take forever. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I think it's just doing that because, you know, we are emulating an old CPU. So as you can see, we are now booting off of the boot diskette. So yeah, it's cool. Okay, drive D. Okay, good. Um, okay. Yeah, that's because there is no partition right now. Okay. So we gotta run F disk. Okay, we gotta run F disk, and we're gonna enable large disk support. We're going to just, I don't know, we're gonna just do that. We're gonna create the partition real quick. Windows 98 setup should convert it to a FAT32 partition. It probably should. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay, we're going to restart the computer. So we're gonna have to run Control R. Don't show again. Proceed. Okay. This is a new copy of VMware. Like this is the first virtual machine, so that's why it's gonna bring us all these prompts and stuff. So yeah. Also, this video, I don't know if I'm gonna export this in 1440p or I'll export it in 1080p, because when I tried formatting this thing in 1440p, well, not formatting, when I tried exporting the video in 1440p, it just took forever. It wasn't even detecting my GPU because the NVIDIA Studio drivers were just doing some crazy stuff. We're just gonna format the C drive, and holy cow, it's taking forever. Yeah, that is taking a while. Well. I actually don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, I guess I'll be back once this is done. So, I mean, it's 50% done. It's going a bit faster right now, so, I mean, I guess I could just talk for the entire time, because, I mean, that works too. We have a bag of Pillsbury soft cookies. I guess I can eat those. I don't know. Okay, we're going to, oh, never mind. Press enter, and now we have to go to the user, oh, we do have a setup. Setup. What do we want? We don't run normal setup. So we're gonna run setup/p. Alright, so we'll run setup without ACPI. Now it's gonna run scan disk, which is nice. So it'll run scan disk and make sure our errors. I mean, make sure there's no errors. Drive C had no errors. Drive D had no errors. Okay, exit. Copy file for setup, and we are now in the Windows 98 setup, which is great. So now setup is preparing the Windows 98 setup wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Please wait. We're going to obviously accept the license terms, install the Windows, install components. Okay, that goes well. Okay, checking for available disk space now. We're gonna do a typical installation because, well, a typical installation is probably good. We're gonna put my name here, Rick, and we're going to put my channel name, 7Zeb. We're gonna click next, install the most common components. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're not going to create a startup disk. Okay, let's just remove the floppy disk from the computer. We're going to remove the floppy disk now. Disconnect the floppy disk. Okay, quick cancel to start copying window files. Okay. And okay, we're gonna start copying files. Like I said in attempt 1, there is the sliding text blurbs which weren't in which aren't in Windows 98 RTM, so they're not in the official release. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just do a time lapse now. Be like, go do some stuff. So yeah, I guess we're gonna just do a time lapse. So enjoy the time lapse. Why did we get a blue screen of death? I have no idea why we got a blue screen of death. I'm going to figure that out now. So we're kind of getting something. I don't want to jinx this though, so I'll be back. So now we're drumming. It is drumming, but it's going really, really slow. This is definitely going to be a multi-day activity. So I'll see you guys in day 2, which won't be day 2 because it's just going to be the next clip. So yeah, I'm going to just end off for today's recording session, and I'll be back tomorrow, which will be the next clip. So yeah, and hopefully I won't be really tired in the next clip. I'll probably be really energetic in the clip. And there we go, we got an error. A reg SVR32 performing an illegal operation. Oh, there we go, we got another one. I don't know how well this will go, but we're just going to suspend the virtual machine. Okay, that's good. Suspended the virtual machine properly. I'm going to install VMware, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or in the next clip. So yeah. Alright, it's the next day. That's right. I said I was gonna be energetic, and guess what? I am energetic. That's right. How much is it? It's only $99. P.O. Box 286 DOS, except in Nebraska. Okay, we get the point. Okay, so the time zone, we're gonna just leave it in Pacific time. Yeah, I guess. Okay. Windows is now setting up control panel. Perfect. Okay, so Windows Help, set up printers. Look, man, I don't really have a printer. Okay, cancel. Okay, setup needs to restart your computer. Wonderful. So now it'll restart my computer. Because it just will, guys. It's gonna be Windows 98 Beta 2.1. Yeah. Like I said, I am god dang energetic right now because it's like the next day, which is actually not the next day. It's been 2 days since I recorded. So I mean, yeah. Windows is found unknown. Okay, so now it's just installing drivers, huh? Okay, so we're gonna just okay, setting up. Okay, that's surprising. It actually logged in. Holy cow! It actually worked. Guys, I did not think this was gonna work. No freaking way. I thought this was not gonna work at all. Okay, so we've got the Windows 98 welcome video. This is sick, bro. This is just sick. So yeah, I'll be back once this is completely loaded. So yeah. Yo, we are in the build. Yeah, we are in. Let's go. We are in. So yeah, this is the official beta 2.1 build. The startup sound, the sounds are finalized, which is really cool. So yeah, we've got the registration wizard, discover Windows 98, Windows tune-up, release notes, and the beta guide. So that's really nice. We're gonna close out of this. You can also see the channel bar is here, which is cool. So we're gonna close. You can if you want to Windows to automatically open welcome. No, don't open that each time. So there's Windows 98 beta tester website. There's like an entire website for it. The internet connection wizard cannot load. Okay, cool. So we got my computer, which has a default icon, scheduled tasks. Okay, so it doesn't open in a new window. You can click back and forward. These buttons are really nice. So you can go into the C drive, go into like, I don't know, Windows. Oh my god, we're just moving the folder now. Okay, we can go into something like Windows, and we can scroll down, and we got Internet Explorer. Wait, hold up. Internet Explorer. Why do we got Internet Explorer? Help. If we go to help about Windows 98. Windows 98. Okay, so it says Windows 98, which is really nice. That's cool. We got the channel bar though. Look at that. Oh crap. I maximized it. Great. Oh my gosh, no, we maximized it. Okay, let's do that. Oh my gosh, where's the mouse cursor? Oh, okay. Okay, so we're going to minimize this window because, yeah, we got the channel bar. MSNBC News, not NBC News. MSNBC News. Look, we got Mickey Mouse from Disney, and we got Warner Brothers, and we got Point Cats. We have like a lot of stuff. The channel guide. It looks cool. Let's go to properties. I mean, yeah. Let's see if we can change the screen resolution. We've got the quick access toolbar. Really nice. Can we go to properties? Hello. Oh my god, what is this thing is lagging? Oh god, if we can, okay, so we can do this. Windows 98, registered to 24, oh okay, I probably seen genuine Intel, a genuine Intel Pentium 2 processor. I have a feeling this is not a genuine Intel Pentium 2 processor. This is a Intel Core i7 11850H actually. Windows Update! Yeah, Windows Update's here, I guess, so, I mean, properties. If properties not opening, settings, active desktop, folders. Okay, maybe you can only have one thing open. Maybe, I think you can have more than one thing open. Property just does not work, properties is broken, I guess. So, yeah, we can run WinVer. This is WinVer, I guess, if you want to see WinVer. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. Yeah, it's lagging. Everyone's favorite. Okay, so, yeah, that's basically, Windows 98 build 1602. It's oh that screenshot sucks. I think I should take a better screenshot for the thumbnail shot. There we go. Anyways, yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. We actually got this installed finally. There's Internet Explorer, there's Recycle Bin, I guess, online services, Outlook Express. What else do we got? We've got Run, Help, Find, Document Program. Let's see if there's anything in programs. Accessories. We got imaging. Don't know what imaging is. We got the welcome to Windows thing. Phone dialer. What's phone dialer? I want to see what that is. Number to dial. Okay. Let's close out of this because, well, apparently the mouse cursor disappeared. Great. That's fun. Why is there more than one? I am freaking out. Okay, we're gonna close out of that. Okay, whatever. Please enter one. I don't know, like, dude, I do not know. I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna shut down the system. Because, well, yeah, shut down. Oh my gosh, the animation. Look at the animation. Yeah, I would like to shut down the computer. Yeah, okay, thank you. Apparently there's no sound. The sound driver wasn't working. I think that's because there was no, you know, plug and play devices. So yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, bye everyone.